pick up Corbin and Derek. Then we're gonna head out to our grandpa's 80. Do some dove hunting this morning. I think it was.
I don't know, but it's like a freaking.
Sissies. Be fun. There's Corbin right there. He's such a good hunter. That's why we brought him.
People always call me dumb. I don't get why.
I think that's a good spot too. I thought.
And just watch this. But the sun's gonna come up in your face though.
Yeah, but.
What are we about? Not if you're facing this way.
We a bunch of wussies coming out looking in the sun.
Ain't no sus.
Yeah. My eyeballs will hurt.
Well, I mean, the lake's like right there. So I guarantee it's like birds out here.
So we are just doing one side?
Yeah, I think Derek's gonna sit over here.
Oh no, Derek's dead set on sitting over here. He's ready for it. Look at
He
him.
said that he's gonna get all the birds and he's gonna limit out.
He's gonna cherry pick them things.
He's gonna limit out what we can get. He's got his own little setup over there.
You're the one that's gonna sit over here so you had first dibs.
I just set these decoys up for you.
Huh?
You
Ones that stopped you before, huh?
Should we have one more person sit
Looks
over
daylight
here?
on.
There's another dove. Better get ready, old son. Look at him, two of them on each side.
Oh, here. Cover up overhead.
Okay. Derek, coming to you. Oh my god. Just done. Oh my gosh, we gotta get that now. Oh my god.
You better go flush him.
Oh, don't shot.
Gosh, ditto. You get him?
Yeah, no shit, there is. 25 yards away.
What shit?
I don't know, but it's a heavy dove load.
Well, maybe.
That's here, bucket up. They're right here.
It's over there.
Dalton straight out.
Right there, right there, right there, right. Got him. What a shot.
Dude, that was all luck, I'm not gonna lie, boys.
That was a nice shot.
Take this from my wife.
Smoking. That's deep.
Way be conservative. I would if I still had the full scope here.
Yeah, I'm
Oh,
probably.
right here. Right here.
Don't.
No, that's not dove.
Hey, that mojo's kind of broke, so.
The visual game, you know.
Had a bunch of doves moving early and then just kind of stopped. So there wasn't a whole lot going on. So we jumped ship, picked up the decoys, moved a little bit further down the field in the corner, and as we were walking over here, there was a group of like 20 doves that spooked up. So we're gonna sit down, see if we can get them to come in. Oh.
Here comes two. Here comes four.
Oh, I slashed that thing. Yo, let me go. Let him shoot. I didn't know they were there until they were on me.
You just got exposed.
Huh? I know. If I'm being honest,
They were literally right
if I'm being honest, I literally just looked and pulled the trigger. So.
Yeah, opening, Brendan. That's where they're all going.
Right here.
We've been sitting right here for 10 minutes now, and Brennan's missed 2 birds, and that's about it.
Okay.
So,
What?
didn't get any better when we
That's
moved
not
over
the
here.
only thing that's happened. We've missed another 7 shots before that. So.
I don't think so. Yes, Brennan. Just missed them all. Yeah, it's because I don't got a gun in my hands. That's why we're missing all these birds.
Yeah, Dalton, why'd you shoot that mojo and break it?
Hey, it's good.
No holes?
No ball hole.
Is it what?
Fucking stick was in my way. No, right here.
Brendan, you didn't hit that one? Oh, right front.
Wait.
He's a little far, isn't he? He's coming. You see me get hung up over here?
Well, I saw you not hit him.
I got hung up on the brain. Dude. He's a gimlet. What else we got? Buckets?
Decoys.
We're gonna wrap it up and call it a day here. In total, I think we got how many birds?
I don't know. 14. 15?
12.
No, we had more than 12.
Maybe one person's limit, but
Hardly.
hardly. Kind of slowed down pretty quick after the initial rush.
We had fun, got exercise. That's all that matters.
Had fun.
Shut up.
Yep.